Okay, are you understand function and one function and many one function? Yes. What is the definition of function? Yes. Every element in A has unique image in B such that order pair of x comma y belongs to F. Yes. नेक्स्ट वन क्या बताया आपको वन वन फंक्शन का डेफिनेशन क्या है डिफरेंट एलिमेंट्स हैव डिफरेंट इमेजेस ओके एंड वन मोर डिस्कस किया हम क्या है क्वेश्चंस में समटाइम्स वन वन प्रूव करना पड़ेगा वी आर ऑल्सो टेकिंग सेम इमेजेस हैविंग सेम एलिमेंट्स for example we are also taking f of x1 is equals to f of x2 that implies x1 is equals to x2 now we shall discuss onto function onto okay let us take two non-empty sets a and b a contains a b c b contains 1 2 3 bas very good on to definition क्या है every element in B has unique pre-image in A otherwise best definition क्या है codomain is equals to range simple definition क्या है codomain is equals to range for example we are also taking this type of दिस इज फंक्शन और नॉट फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल फंक्शन चेक करिए फंक्शन और नॉट यस और नो बताइए बस एवरी एलिमेंट इन ए यस एवरी एलिमेंट ए बी सी मैपिंग इज देयर यस और नो मैपिंग इज देयर यस और नो यस वेरी गुड हियर ए हैज इमेज 1 बी हैज इमेज 2 सी हैज इमेज 2 so this is the function 1 1 no why here A has one different elements B and C are different but B and C have same image too so this is not a 1 1 on to में क्या बताया every element in B has unique pre-image in A unique pre-image reverse आना चाहिए reverse but here simple definition क्या बताया आपको कोडोमाइन इज इक्वल्स टू रेंज इधर रेंज क्या है रेंज यस मैपिंग एलिमेंट्स इमेजेस ओनली इमेजेस 1 and 2 आर इमेजेस यस रेंज क्या है ओनली मैपिंग एलिमेंट्स इमेजेस ए हैज इमेज 1 बी हैज इमेज 2 सी हैज इमेज 2 सो 1 2 इज द रेंज सेट नाउ कोडोमाइन क्या है कोडोमाइन क्या है यस 1 2 3 ऑन टू का डेफिनेशन क्या बताया ये फंक्शन f मैपिंग फ्रॉम a to b is said to be a onto if codomain is equals to range but here range not equals to codomain so this is not a onto f is not onto or understand or not yes definition क्या है every element in B there exists unique element in A yes or no every element in B has unique pre-image in A such that codomain is equals to range is called a onto नेक्स्ट क्या है डेफिनेशन क्या है इधर डेफिनेशन क्या बताया डेफिनेशन सिंपल डेफिनेशन क्या है रेंज इज इक्वल्स टू कोडोमाइन कैन आई राइट द डेफिनेशन यस वेरी गुड हियर डेफिनेशन क्या है ये फंक्शन f mapping from a to b is said to be on to if codomain is equals to range. Range means f of x, f of a. You can take इधर f of a है ना, f of a. दैट सिंबल क्या है, f of a is equals to b. इधर b क्या है पता है, b क्या है, कोडोमाइन. f of a means images, all images. Yes or no? f of a is equals to b. Codomain is equals to range, that is called a onto. Into, what is the definition of into? Not onto, that is called into. ओके, onto का एग्जाम्पल दे दीजिए. onto के एग्जाम्पल क्या है, 1 2 3 A B C. yes. onto every element in B. ओके, सिंपल. कोडोमाइन क्या है, कोडोमाइन B इज इक्वल्स टू क्या है, ए बी सी. ओके, एफ ऑफ ए रेंज क्या है, रेंज एफ ऑफ ए. रेंज मीन्स मैपिंग एलिमेंट्स, मैपिंग इमेजेस क्या है, 1 इमेज ए, 2 का इमेज बी, 3 का इमेज सी. सो इमेजेस क्या क्या है, ए बी सी. सो कोडोमाइन इज इक्वल्स टू range. Codomain is equals to range. This is called a onto. Yes or no? Mathematically, what we can write now, onto का definition क्या है, let f mapping from A to B is an onto, ठीक है. Here let, very important point, this is most very important. We are also using this formula for problems. Let definition क्या है, every element in B. yes, let B belongs to B. or we are also using y belongs to B. There exist here, there exists one element in A, that is x belongs to A, such that f of A means x, f of x is equals to y. f of x is equals to y is called a onto function. And understand that y belongs to B. First of all, we are also taking here y belongs to B. There exists x belongs to A, such that f of x is equals to y is called a onto function. For example, h mapping from C to D is an onto. What is the condition? बताइए. Yes, very good. You can take now here point y belongs to D. There exists next one C belongs to, y belongs to, x belongs to C, such that बताइए, such that फंक्शन क्या है, h इज द फंक्शन. सो h एलिमेंट क्या है, C का एलिमेंट क्या है, x. सो h of x is equals to y. This is called a onto function. You can give any function. You can also writing onto का definition. Yes or no? Next one, bijection. Bijection means 1 1 and onto. Bijection, one and onto. A function f mapping from A to B is said to be bijection. If f is both 1 1 and onto. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल 1 1 प्रूव करना पड़ेगा, सेकेंड वन onto प्रूव करना पड़ेगा. ऑटोमेटिकली बाइजेक्शन हो सकता है. अंडरस्टैंड? यस, वेरी गुड. ओके, once again we shall discuss function 1 1 and onto. Automatically bijection 1 1 and onto means bijection. Okay. Now what is the definition of function? Every element in A has unique image in B such that order pair of x comma y belongs to F. Very good. 1 1 1 1 का definition सभी को मालूम होना चाहिए. ठीक है. 1 1 का definition क्या है? Different elements have different images. Very good. Mathematically, how can we write mathematically? Very good. x1 not equals to x2, that implies f of x1 not equals to f of x2. One more. Yeah, very good. F of x1 is equals to f of x2, that implies x1 is equals to x2. That is called 1 1 function. On to, very good. Every element in B has unique pre-image in A such that f of x is equals to y. I understand. Very good. Mathematically, how can we write mathematically? Very good. Let f mapping from A to B. For example, f mapping from C to D. For example, f mapping from any sets. Okay. P to Q. बताइए f mapping from P to Q. How can we write onto? Let. Very good. Small q belongs to Q. Otherwise, small y belongs to Q. Very good. There exist small x belongs to P such that okay. Function क्या है? Function f. Element in P x, so f of x. Element in Q y, so f of x is equals to y. This is called a onto function. Next, bijection. Bijection का क्या मतलब है? 1 1 and onto, 1 1 and onto. A function f is said to be a function f mapping from A to B is said to be a bijection if f is both 1 1 and onto. Or understand? Very good.